that, not too much. Put a little bit of pressure on there. I can't do it with the gear on, so. I want the cam held in, so it's more important for me.
Yep.
So I got light tension on that. I don't have any tension on these three yet.
Okay.
It'll be enough to do what I need to do. The only Loctite we got's red, which is a joke. This is it for the whole building. That's stupid. I have to make a comment about his accessories.
You got the wrong Loctite.
See, this only works one direction, so I can't do it tightening.
Let me flip it over, dude.
How do you open it up? Dude.
Oh. Flip it over. Flip it over. That sounds real smooth.
Okay.
Using the heck out of our new toys.
Alright. What did we leave off?
Flip it over and shove it in.
Shove and install all in one kit. Okay, so this is top right. Top left, top right.
Turn it over and shove it in. Let's see how well this works.
How close do I get it? Not.
Oh. Sweet.
I must have did it correctly.
You must have done something right.
Don't kill anybody.
Holy moly. Moly, moly, moly.
Okay, we got short screws and long screws.
Moly, moly, moly.
I'm thinking we use short screws.
Okay.
You know why I think short?
Because they don't need to go in that
Long
far.
is pretty far out.
Yeah.
So long must be going to covers.
Yep.
Do we got 6 of these?
Well, I'm pretty sure you do.
Pretty sure we got no Loctite.
You gonna Loctite them or not?
I'm not going to use red.
Never get it back out again. Oh shit, you got a problem there. Something tells me you gotta leave that off until right towards the end.
It's a pretty short screw. That looks good.
That's a long one.
Nope. Got one left. Where's it go?
Right there.
Oh, the hole we can't get to? Oh, that explains a lot. Somebody came over the table over here. Look at that mess. You don't need that anymore. Easy to put blue Loctite on your screws for vibration purposes. But see, now we have no vibration control in this motor. It's low mounted anyway. Shouldn't need it, right? Fred, this doesn't work.
It doesn't work. I was wondering if you were gonna get that.
It's the Crossman? Oh no, this is not a Crossman.
Yeah, it is.
Does it work?
Yeah.
It's a USA.
Oh,
Oh, it is a Crossman, okay.
made in USA.
Is that an extension? Does it match? Well, these match, Fred. These work a lot better than last one I just had.
Yes, Tatro, they probably do.
Make sure it pulls down evenly and not a high spot and pull it in.
And break something.
It might break the plate in half. What's the torque on that?
About that much.
I'll just round it off inside the bolt.
Oh, I should have bought this.
Make sure it goes all the way in, dumbass. Even though it looked like it went all the way, it did not.
I can see.
How many was that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Did I get all 5? I
Mhm.
rounded one off.
We started
Started there.
there, came this
Okay.
way.
You don't need that one, right?
I don't know. Do we not need that one?
It's behind the gear. You don't need it. Where's my fancy tool at?
A fancy favorite tool.
This is going the wrong direction though, right? We're gonna need a better tool than this because we gotta torque this thing down.
Yeah.
But for this, we can use this for now because it's nearby. Did the cams turn freely?
I think pretty close.
That's a good sign. We need to clean our workbench off here. That's a good sign. Things rotate correctly.
Mhm. Must be all that lube you put on there. That lubrication.
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 Now this here is a spacing washer. They make these in different thicknesses.
Okay.
They line up your parts here. See it goes in and out.
Mm-hmm.
Pull it all the way up.
Very good.
Now it stays put. Screw. And screw.
Screw. Hey, dropped the part.
Here's the tool. Tool's not needed no more. There's actually some Loctite left in that one. Yep, the tool was pretty good. Did what I needed to do. It worked. All right. How's it looking, Fred?
Looking pretty sharp.
What that shot, please. And before we forget, should we put this in?
Well, you gotta figure out which way it goes.
Which way does it go? This way or this way?
I don't have a clue.
Where's your book?
Do you have a book?
Nope. Does Luke have a book? Does Luke have a book?
Sorry, I need to sit down. I need to sit down.
This here? Goes on there like that.
I dropped something.
Damaged goods. I can't figure where that goes. There's a flat spot on this thing. There's a flat spot right here.
Yeah.
If I had a light, I could see better. I don't see a flat spot anywhere. So it must be on the bottom, so I can't see it. Nope. 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 Nope.
Turn it over.
Nope. 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 I think I've already been a full circle, Fred.
Oh, no.
Doesn't fit. Oh, there it goes. Just goes down here.
Got a notch on
You go that way or this way.
it. I would say timing. Oh, got timing marks on
Doesn't
both
matter
sides.
which way it goes.
Hey, ambidextrous.
They don't line up, Fred.
It's ambidextrous.
Fred, they don't line up.
I think it's time to line them up right.
You got an alignment tool? Where's the dot? Now I'm sure this is the factory tool that you're supposed to use.
It seems like it's taking a lot of pressure.
Yeah, it is right now. It's in gear. You hear the wheel spinning over there?
What the hell?
It's in gear.
I thought I put it in neutral.
You did.
Hmm?
You did.
What did it just do?
It's in gear.
Well, you just said I put it in neutral, but it's in gear.
Well, your neutral's in gear, I guess, because it's in gear right now. It's all right. I had enough leverage. You know why I got enough leverage?
What is that?
Because I think you're in low gear, which means we have about a 14-to-1 ratio on my foot-pound of torque to turn that tire over there. It's also on the board, so the board's just sliding on the table, so it's less drag. Okay, where's the mark on this thing? Really need some light.
I think you put this on backwards.
Oh, I need some light. Where's my flashlight? I can't see. I do not see a single mark on that tool at
No,
all.
turn it around.
I think it's made wrong. Oh, there's a mark.
I was gonna say, I thought you had it on backwards, because there's,
Where's the titty at? No, it's on the bottom. Titty's on the bottom. How about that way? I'm 180 out.
180 out.
180 out. You know what that means?
Hmm.
That means it'll be a lot of work. It's a lot of work. You know why it's a lot of work?
Why?
Because there's no push rods in there yet. I'm not opening the valves up. And there's no rock arms either, so it makes it easier. Okay, see our marks are lined up?
Yep.
Now, are these two surfaces straight to each other? Are these straight to each other?
Yeah.
How do you know? Where's your straight edge? What's this?
It's a straight edge.
Where's the camera
Big
pointing?
fat.
Where's the camera pointing at that down there?
I don't know.
Why don't you slide back so you're not pointing right at me again? Well, you're not supposed to be too close. Pointing at your feet. Okay, you go like that. So there's no rock between these two?
Yep.
That means it's flat.
Okay.
If it was off, there'd be a fight spot when you go like this.
I see.
So you push there, nothing, push there, nothing.
Sent a blind man to the deaf lady over the phone.
So that means the shim that's back there is what?
Correct.
There you go.
Yeah, I just took a guess it was correct.
Oh, you were right. You had a 50% chance there. Okay, that goes there.
Yeah.
Just like that. So do we want this up this way? Or you want like this down this way?
Seems like it should come in that way. No, that's not going to work.
Well, yeah, if we cut some of this off here, it fit.
I'm going to turn it over.
Turn it over? I mean, I go this way?
I don't have a clue.
You have a clue? I can go that way.
Why do you even need that?
Bounce against here. Takes the slack out.
I thought, wasn't that supposed to take the slack out?
The problem is I don't have the teeth on here correctly, so it's not really a true number. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off.
Sorry if I keep dropping down and not focusing.
Yeah, if you brought the tripod with you, we wouldn't have this problem. Where's the tripod?
That's my fault, right?
Tripod is not here, that's what the problem is. Okay.
You put them off.
Oh, it's my light again. Flat spots up high and back, like right over there. There we go. This lines up perfect. Okay, that's where the chain goes.
Slowly but surely.
So it's either going to go this direction, or
Hmm.
it's going to go this direction.
Well, hang on. Turn it this way. Look, you got a big gap here.
It's an offset.
So it's got to go that way.
Where's the offset here? The groove is all the way against the backside, so we should sit flush. So it's going to go in like this, see?
Yep.
Because if you went the other direction, these would be way out of here.
Yeah, that's what I just...
Either way, I was going to go this way anyway because it looks better.
All right.
It's the way I thought it went on anyway. But the offset proves the point. So we don't need no stupid book. Now when that goes all the way on, can we get to that bolt?
Nope.
No. You sure?
I don't know. Well, there's going to be a chain in the way, too.
That's going to be close. Should be able to get to this on there, but
No, there's going to be...
sure doesn't look like
The chain's going to be up against that, too, Tatro.
Yeah, I think this is going to be in the way. Okay.
So we need to turn it over now while it's still...
Need to put this thing up in the air a little bit, yeah. Luke's got some weird tools over here to use too. See, this might be too long.
Yeah. You cut a groove out of it so it would... Barking spiders.
Chasing after me. Good socket. Need some tools. don't know why you put all tools away for doing the job you need to do.
He's got that obsessive. He's obsessed with
I don't think I can get in there with
having
this.
things organized.
I think I need a socket.
I seen him do it. He cleans up. He's always organizing things and cleaning things.
He cleans up stuff, and he doesn't clean up stuff. The stuff that doesn't need to be cleaned, he cleans. The stuff that needs to be cleaned, he leaves sitting around filthy. Okay, so this one here works. This one here works. This 3/8,
Yep.
1/4 inch.
Yep.
Need an extension. Need to get us another extension?
I'll take this one here.
Only get one extension for the whole
Yep.
job?
It's crossing. Let's snap on. Snap on will give you like. Why don't you use that wrench there and that extension?
I need leverage.
Oh,
I gotta pick up a bike.
leverage.
It's a rotator, it's not a Sportster. Look at that, Fred. I'm trying to figure out what to put on top of the board.
I don't know. It's in the air.
You have to get the board out though, that's the problem. Board's out. Okay, now you take this, you put on top of this, you put over there, you won't lose it. But you know what, we're gonna need this in a minute, so I can't do that. You don't need a socket laying over there though.
What's getting all that oil in there?
The what?
All that oil. Sitting there waiting for something to drop into it,
It
and
came out of the motor and the tranny, but we don't know which one. Probably both.